So this is an emollient. It's primarily used for the skin, and you can use it in lip care products. It's a clear, thick liquid form. It's thicker than the hydrogenated polyisobutene. But right here I've already added the waxes into this, and I have added 2 different types of waxes in this mixture because I wanted to give it a more matte texture base, like I said earlier. So we're gonna see what we're gonna go from here. So yeah, it's an emollient. It's called Trimilitate. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box below, and I'm gonna have everything, I guess you'll see it running across the screen also. So yeah, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and click the subscribe button, like these videos, and turn on your notifications. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram at I'm a Queen Lifestyle, and I also have I'm a Queen, the cosmetic page, on Instagram, so you guys can go there and check me out. And I am just redoing everything, the Etsy shop, the Shopify shop, so that'll be up and running soon. But I do have a few products that will be up by the time this video gets up. A few lip glosses, and the formulation that I have, it's new and it's a killer. You guys are gonna love these glosses. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and check those shops out, and don't forget, subscribe. Instagram platforms. First thing I'm gonna be adding into this base is some matte texture base, because I want to just tone it down with the shine a little bit. Like I said, we're going to try and do a matte base lip gloss, and we're going to see what's going to happen from there. I'm going to add my matte texture base to this mixture. Here is the matte texture base that I'm going to be adding. It's more of a silicone feel or touch, but it's really dry. I got this from TKB. And I also think I'm going to be adding some white lip liquid to this also. So that's the matte texture base, and this is what I'm getting right now. What I should have done was strain it a little bit, but I'm just going to have to stir it around like this until everything is incorporated well. So we see that this mixture is coming along well. All of the little nuts and crusts dissolving very well. And it seemed like I do not need to use that lip liquid white anymore. So I'm going to go for a more mauve color type gloss that you can use naturally. You can do the lip liner pencil thing. You guys know. That's the type of gloss I'm going to go for today. These are the 3 lip colors that I will be using to achieve the color that I want to get. And I wanted to mention to you guys that I will be bringing these back to the Etsy page, so you can also check that out. Maybe they will be on by Thursday. So yeah. So I'm going to be using these colors. So that's that. Some pink, desired color that we're looking. So there's the. So this here is a bit of a secret ingredient that I'm adding. But if you have watched my videos before, you guys will know exactly what this is. It's more like a mauve natural color. And I think like the lighting has it a bit lighter, but it's not that light. I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm going to be adding some polybutane to this to thicken it up. And if you guys do know, I have some video that I will have linked in this video about this lip gloss base. It's very thick, so we're going to have to stir. So I'm just doing it with this utensil here that I'm using, but I do have a little spatula that I can show you guys. These are mini spatulas that you can purchase also and use it with your lip gloss. I don't want to use it here because this here is very small and short. You don't want anything to be splattered all about. Yeah, so there we have that creamy texture. TDTM, that's the short name for the product that I use that I told you about earlier. And you can go and search that up at TKB also. So I'm just loving this texture. It's not really matte, but it's more like a matte texture base. Formula gloss, very pigmented. It's more of a mauve type gloss. And I'll show you this away from the light. Don't forget, guys, you can add whatever flavoring that you want to this mixture. I think I'm going to be adding a peach oil flavoring to this mixture along with some passion fruit oil. And I'm going to place it in this lip gloss tube. Hey, and just like that, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on those notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.